Good morning, everybody. My name is Pastor Nwachukwu James Ubekile. I am from Igbanke. I am speaking on behalf of the Akiko socio-cultural group of Igbanke for the general Igbanke people. The attention of the Akiko socio-cultural group of Igbanke have been drawn to the spurious, malicious distortion of historical facts about the origin of the Eka people of Igbanke, mischievously rendered by the so-called Benin Traditional Council. In their section, two clueless mendacious claims were made. One, they said that the Igbanke people originated from Benin, but lost the Benin language because of our interaction with the capital of Agbo. Two, that the people of Igbanke have paid homage to the Oba of Benin in time past, and that paying of homage gave the people of Igbanke the chameleon skin to be transformed, to be transmogrified or transformed to Benin people. Now, to debunk these desperate, untenable, absurd, or inane narratives, I would like to state some potent and infallible fact here. In Benin, the people of Igbanke are called Oweka, which is a recognition of the fact that the Benis know that the Igbanke people are not the same with them. How come that there are no traces of the Benin language in the Ekaibo language of the Igbanke people if they originated from Benin? One question. Secondly, the people of Igbanke or many Igbanke people suffered the same fate with their Igbo brothers in Benin during the Nigerian Civil War. In fact, many Igbanke people were killed in Benin as the Igbo people. This is just for the record. But let's bury the ugly past. Let's bury the ugly poignant facts of history just to avoid acrimony in the future. You said that Igbanke people are Benis. How come you call us Oweka if we are the same people with you? How come you label us Oweka? Now, let us go back to the issue of Igbanke becoming Benis because they paid homage to the Oba of Benin. Before I say anything here, I will first of all define the word homage lexicographically and with the dictionary meaning. Homage has two distinct meanings. One, to show respect to others, or to a superior, or to one's parents, or teachers or elders, etc., or to government institutions. The second meaning of homage is the act of submitting or surrendering your right to another, or your right or authority to another person as a conquered person or a conquered people. So we do not understand the kind or the type of homage the Benin Traditional Council is talking about here. The Igbanke are civilized people. We respect our parents, elders, pastors, kings, and neighbors. Our kings and leaders are also living testimony or testament of respect for one another and for government authorities. So the respect or homage the people of Igbanke pay to the Oba of Benin does not amount or does not transform the Igbanke people to being Benin people because they paid homage to the Oba. And at the same time, paying homage to the Oba does not relinquish or is not a relinquishment of our inalienable historical history of Eka Igbo origin, culture, language, or right for self-determination. In the old defunct Bende state, all the kings in Edo and Delta equally paid homage to the Oba of Benin because he was the chairman of the Bende State Traditional Council. Now, if paying homage to the Oba makes one a Benin man, then all the other kings in Deltas should become Benin people too, because they were all in Bendel State and paid homage to the Oba of Benin like the Igbanke kings too.